YouTube is going on with y'all, man, back again with another video. If you want to start doing something, you have to be clear about what you want to do. You have to be clear with yourself. You can't be 50-50. I see that this movement right here came underneath this low and it took liquidity of that low. And what that normally means to me is that once we take liquidity, we bounce back the other way. Coffee to recharge. Let's go back.
Doesn't give any information what it was.
Nothing here that's helping us.
And I want to talk about how to achieve consistency and how to do something daily, every single day, consistently. Today is Friday and it's currently about 4 a.m. in the morning right now. And the reason why I'm out here is because every single time that I'm done trading, I like to go outside for a run. I was gonna do a 30-minute run today, but because I still gotta work at 5 and I gotta explain the trade that I took to you guys, I'm only gonna be doing a 20-minute run, man. So yeah, man, let's get this 20-minute run. And I don't know if I said it already, but today we gotta win. We gotta win today, so which is amazing. And it also recover all the losses that we had Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. One single win recover all the losses, man. So that was amazing. But let's get this 20-minute run over with, and then I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna explain to you guys the trade that we took, man. All right, man, so the run is over. Now let's go back inside. I'm gonna show you guys the trade, man. If you follow me on IG, you already seen the trade that we took, which is this one. I put my trades on IG every single time, so if you're not following me there yet, go follow me there, man. But if you haven't seen the trade yet, this is the trade that we took, man. As y'all can see, the trade won. We got a win today, which is amazing, you know what I'm saying? But what was I looking at when I took this trade, man? Let's get to it. First thing that I do when I come into the market is that I like to look at the market conditions in the 1 hour. What is the market doing in the 1 hour? So I go to the 1 hour time frame and I see that we are bullish. I see that we're pushing towards the upside. So that means that we are bullish because we're breaking higher highs, making higher highs, and making higher highs. So that means that we are bullish. So what is the market doing right now, though? It might be pushing up, but the momentum might be bearish. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what the market is doing right now. And when I see in the 1 hour, I see that we have this big push towards the upside, and then I see that we're pushing towards the bottom. But then I see this candle right here, this right here. I see that this movement right here came underneath this low and it took liquidity of that low. And what that normally means to me is that once we take liquidity, we bounce back the other way. So as you can see, we came down, we took liquidity, and we started to bounce up the other way. So, and I also see that we broke structure right here. So we're breaking another structure towards the upside. Okay, so I see that we are bullish. I see that we're bullish. I see that we're pushing up. The momentum is towards the upside right now. So we're looking for buys. So then we go to the 5 minute, and I see what is the market doing in the 5 minute. And like I said, we have a break of structure right here, and I see that we were dropping here. We were dropping for some time, but then right here we made a equal lows. Right here we made an equal lows. When we make an equal lows, what it normally means is that we want to push up. So we made equal lows here, and we took liquidity of this low, and then we started to push up. So now instead of coming down, now we're pushing towards the upside, right? And when the market opens at 3, so when the market opened, I only trade in London session. So this is what I was looking at when I came into the market at 3 a.m. in the morning, you know what I'm saying? So I was looking at this. I see that we have bullish momentum. I see that we are in an uptrend. So I'm looking for buys, right? But then we have to get an entry to the upside. We have to look for an entry for us to buy, you know what I'm saying? We don't just click buy and we automatically go up. No, we have to look for an opportunity. We have to look for the right entry in order for the trade to go in our way. So when I came into the market, I see this is the price action that I'm looking at, and then I see that this candle came underneath this low. So this green candle came underneath this low, and then now we're closing above the 13 SMA. And what is the 13 SMA? The 13 SMA is this blue line that goes along the price right here. So we're pushing towards the upside. we are in a bullish momentum, and I see that this candle right here took liquidity of this candle down here, and then I see that we're closing above the 13 EMA. So I take a chance and I get into buys right here. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, since we have been losing a lot lately. We lost Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I was trying to recover all the losses that we had, and this was an amazing trade to recover the losses on, man, because we have the 200 EMA down here, we have the 50 SMA down here, we have the 13 SMA up here. So all the moving averages are in sync. They are in sync, and normally when they are in sync, it means that you are in a momentum trend. You are in the right trend, you know what I'm saying? If I'm looking for buys and everything is underneath, I'm going with the trend, you know what I'm saying? So it's an amazing sign when you see these three things like this aligned that way. It's just a beautiful sign because it just gives you more confluence that is going to win. So that happens, and then we get in. I was aiming for $500, so it was around here, you know what I'm saying? It was around there. And yeah, man, we got in, and that candle came underneath. It was playing around for a little bit, but then boom, this candle just went crazy. Our TP got hit, you know what I'm saying? And we ended up the week profitable again, man, with this one single trade. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get ready to go to work, and I'm gonna let the video continue. All right, man, so we have now made it to work again. Another day, another dollar, man. Let's go.
Tiene que ser el mismo color. Sí, tiene que ser el mismo, porque como está un solo.
Yeah. Coffee to recharge. Let's go back.
This is digital trend.
Digital trade.
Doesn't give any information what it was.
Nothing here that's helping us.
Man, so we just got this delivery, right? And it turns out the majority of this shit is not even for this phase of the building. It's for the next phase. So we can't even use a lot of this shit. It's crazy. Right, man, so as I am editing this video right now, I kind of just want to do multitask. As I'm editing this video, I kind of want to go over a topic that I was thinking about right now as I was editing this video right now. And the topic is daily habits and consistency, man. And I want to talk about how to achieve consistency and how to do something daily, every single day, consistently, you know what I'm saying? Not stop doing what you're doing and just keep on pushing regardless, you know what I'm saying? Because there are going to be days where you don't feel like doing work. There are going to be days where you just don't feel like waking up. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people get motivated at first, but then after the motivation fades away, they stop doing what they said that they were gonna do. And that's the topic that I want to talk about today, man. How do you make sure that you keep on pushing? You know what I'm saying? How do you make sure that you keep on pushing and do the work every single day? What do I do? Because I can only talk for myself, because I don't know what other people do, but I can only talk for myself. And what I do is simple, man. What I do is this. I ask myself this: is there work to do? And if there is work to do, I do it. You know what I'm saying? Regardless of how I'm feeling. It's gonna suck to do it. Maybe I don't feel like doing it. But the genuine question that I ask myself is there work to do? You know what I'm saying? And if the answer is yes, then I get up and I start doing the work. But I want to go more in depth, you know what I'm saying? I want to talk about more on how you can do it. You know what I'm saying? Because if you want to start doing something, you have to be clear about what you want to do. You have to be clear with yourself. You can't be 50-50. You can't tell yourself, maybe I want to do this, or maybe I want to do that. You cannot do that, man. You have to tell yourself. You have to be clear with yourself with what you want to do. So what if you are in a position where you just want to do a lot of things, but you don't do the things because for some reason you're waiting for the right moment, or for some reason you just want to wait for the right time, or whatever the situation might be, that you are not doing the work, you know what I'm saying? I just want to tell you this, man. If you are in a situation, grab a day, grab 30 minutes, an hour of your day. That's all it's going to take, you know what I'm saying? Grab a piece of paper, grab a pencil, grab a piece of paper, and just, you know what I'm saying, write down what you want to do. Just think about the things that you want to do, write it down. You know what I'm saying? And then what you're gonna do is, as you are writing down what you want to do, then you're gonna summarize it, and you're gonna make it something simple, something small, something that you can remind yourself. So the whole thing that you written in a pencil, I mean the whole thing that you had written in a piece of paper, you're gonna summarize it, and you're gonna make a sentence out of it. So now you're gonna every single time that you say this sentence, you're gonna remember the whole thing that you wrote down on the piece of paper. You know what I'm saying? And then once you do that, you start looking for the things that you need to start doing to get to that thing, to start doing that thing. What are the daily habits that are going to take you there? What is the things that will take you there? You know what I'm saying? And you start structuring your day in a way that everything, all your focus and everything that you're doing is getting you closer and closer and closer to that thing that you want to do. So what is it that you want to do? It doesn't have to be just one thing, you know what I'm saying? It can be, maybe you want to be a healthy person, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you want to start eating good. Maybe there is a, you know what I'm saying, career that you want to start. Maybe there's a side hustle that you want to start. It can be many things. But you know what I'm saying? You have to structure your day in a way that everything that you do will get you closer and closer and closer to achieve those things that you have written down that you want to do for yourself. You know what I'm saying? You write it down, and now you make a list. You make a list of the things that you're going to be doing throughout the whole day. You're going to be structuring your way in a way that you do things that are going to get you closer to that thing that you want to do. You know what I'm saying? So make sure, you know what I'm saying, it's all about being clear with yourself. You have an idea of what you want to do. You have an idea, but you're not being clear. You have to be clear. You have to be specific about what are the things that you're going to do. Write it down. And all you got to do now is just follow that routine. Follow the routine that you have set for yourself every single day. Just write it down, and every single day just cross it off, cross it off, cross it off, cross it off, cross it off. Because when you are clear with yourself and the things that you want to do, what happens is when you wake up in the morning, you don't have to think about the things that you're going to do throughout the day. You already know what you're going to do. You go to sleep, you wake up, and you know exactly how to start your day. You know exactly what you're going to be doing after that. You know exactly what you're going to do after that, and after that, and after that, and after that. So you do not have to think about planning your day. Your day is already being planned from your daily habits. If you create daily habits that you can do every single day, you do not have to think about the things that you got to do. You don't have to think you don't have to waste energy thinking of what are the things that you're going to do, because you already have a plan. You already have a to-do list. You already structure your day in a way that whatever it is that you do is going to get you closer to the thing that you want to achieve. That's really how I do it, man. That's really how I do it. I just have a to-do list that I repeat every single day. It's the same exact thing, repetitive, again and again and again and again and again and again. I don't have, when I wake up, I don't have to think, what am I going to do today? I already know. I do the same shit every day. But the beautiful thing about this is, the more that I do it, the more closer I get to the things that I want to achieve. Next day, tomorrow, I wake up again. I do the same exact thing again. I do it again and again and again and again. And every single time is only getting me closer, closer and closer and closer and closer and closer to the goals, closer and closer to the things that I have set for myself. You know what I'm saying? So wasting time on planning your days is not worth it, man. Choose one day and decide how you're going to structure your everyday basis. How are your days going to be every single day? You know what I'm saying? That's really what I want. That's really what I want to say, man. Don't use extra energy trying to plan your days. Use a little bit, use one day You know, you can take your whole day to plan on structuring your days, and then you just follow it every single day, follow the same thing. But you have to make sure that those things that you're following are actually getting you closer to the thing that you want to achieve. And obviously, as you start doing this, there are going to be some changes that you're going to have to make. There are going to be some things that you're going to change around. Maybe your schedule doesn't allow you to do this, so you're going to replace it with this. So you're going to have to switch things around, man. But what matters is starting to structure your days in a way that you do something that gets you closer and closer and closer to the things that you have set for yourself, man. So yeah, man, as I am editing this video, I just want to say that next week is going to be my last week of trading for this year. So no more trading after next week. And yeah, man, 2025, like I said, I'm ready for 2025. I'm going to be patiently waiting for 2025 because I'm trading the second week of January. So yeah, man, I'm gonna be trading. I mean, the videos are not gonna stop. I'm still going to be uploading. Honestly, I don't really know what I'm gonna be uploading. I think I'm gonna be doing some type of blogs or some stuff like that. Maybe I'll be recording, like, you know, a sitting down video, maybe one-to-one type of conversation video, maybe more like psychology videos. I don't know, man. I'm gonna be doing something. I'm gonna be recording something. Just know that the videos are not gonna stop because we told ourselves that we were going to be uploading every day. So that's what we're gonna do, man. The videos might not be about trading, but I'm gonna make some type of blog videos or whatever, man. You know what I'm saying? As long as I'm uploading videos every single day, I don't really care what it is, man. So yeah, man, that is the video for today, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow because, as you know, we are uploading every single day, man. So without a further ado, man, this video is now over.